Hey Heretics, Mike with Heretic, and I'm very excited because today we launched the new carbon fiber Hydra. Check this guy out. Look at that. Titanium pocket clip, hand flame by Tony, along with a button cover, charging plate, full carbon fiber chassis. You have to feel this thing. It's absolutely incredible. Comes with a Tonto DLC blade in 20 CV. Now these are a limited, serialized run, and the only place to get them is at one of these dealers right here. You're going to see next. So go pick one up today and add this to your Heretic collection. I'm Mike with Heretic. Stay sharp.
These new Hydras are available right now at LoneStarKnife.com in extremely limited quantities. And guys, we also have the manual Tonto Medusa Blacked Out Mega Tactical. These are also available right now, LoneStarKnife.com.